Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and in this channel I'm trying to make school math colorful and beautiful. Right now we are working on a series of linear equation class 8. I am taking up questions from the NCERT exemplar and every day we are solving a few of them. So look at this equation, it's a really complicated one. And which is the most disgusting thing in this? Yes, the denominators, the fractions. So if you don't like something, just get rid of it. So how can we get rid of these fractions 2, 3 and 12? One way to get rid of them is to multiply each term by the LCM of 2, 3 and 12. So let's find out the LCM. So here the LCM is 2 into 3 into 2, that is 12. Now 12 is the LCM. Let's multiply each and every term with 12. So first of all, when we multiply this term with 12, what happens? Just think about it for a minute. Yes. When I multiply it by 12, like this, it gets cancelled and we have 6 in the numerator. So we get 6 into x plus 1. So now let's see what happens when we multiply the second term with 12. This is the second term and let's multiply it with 12. So when we multiply it by 12, we get 4 in the numerator. So we have 4 into x minus 1. Now we have the term on the right hand side. So when we multiply it with 12, let's see what do we get. 12 into 5 by 12. So we get 5 in the numerator. Now the new equation looks much simpler. In order to solve this, we have to distribute the number 6 here, the number 4 in the second term and the number 5 in the third term. So let's do that. So we have 6x plus 6 plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 5x minus 10. Let's bring the like terms together. The terms with the variables. 5x will come from the other side and will become minus. 6 will go to the other side, become minus. Minus 4 will become plus 4 and minus 10. So we have 10 minus 5, 5x is equal to negative 16 plus 14, minus 16 plus 4. And we have 5x is equal to minus 12. So x will be equal to minus 12 by 5.